In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the zoom settings in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're having trouble reading smaller text or wanting to fit more onto your screen, managing the zoom level can greatly enhance your browsing experience. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to open Microsoft Edge. Simply locate the Edge icon on your desktop or taskbar and give it a click to launch the browser. Once you have Microsoft Edge open in front of you, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll find three dots neatly stacked vertically. This is the menu button. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options at your disposal. So go ahead and click those three dots. Upon clicking, a menu will pop up. You'll want to glance through the list of settings to find the Zoom option. This is usually situated somewhere in the middle of that drop-down list. Now you've located the Zoom feature. This is where you can take control of how your web pages are displayed. To adjust the zoom level, you'll notice two distinct buttons, a minus sign and a plus sign. If you want to make everything appear smaller, you'll press the minus button. This action decreases the zoom percentage, allowing more of the web page to fit into your screen, which is especially useful if you want to see more content without having to scroll extensively. Alternatively, if the text and images seem a bit too small and you'd prefer a closer view, simply press the plus button. This will increase the zoom percentage, making everything appear larger and easier to read. And there you have it. You've just learned how to adjust the zoom settings in Microsoft Edge. This is a simple yet effective way to customize your viewing experience according to your needs. Remember, these changes can always be undone or readjusted to suit your preferences at any time. So feel free to experiment until you find the zoom level that feels just right for you. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Keep playing around with these settings and you'll find that a little adjustment can make a big difference in how you interact with web pages. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to enhance your browsing experience. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Have a great